Hi everyone, and welcome to part 2 of Video Pro. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Canva to make simple and eye-catching social media videos. Let's get started. Canva is a free resource that allows users with little to no experience to create simple and eye-catching designs, images, and now videos. It uses a drag and drop interface with simple to use tools. To go more in depth on how to use the different tools and what they do, watch our previous Bite-Size training, Canva Crash Course, found on our YouTube channel. Canva has a couple of ways to make a video. You can choose one of their templates already laid out for you, or you can create a design and choose from there. I like looking through their templates because it helps inspire some of my own ideas. You can click on the video category here at the top, or you can browse through their category options by scrolling down. Let's click on the video category and see what Canva has. So here they have video, YouTube intro, animated social media, and a couple of others. You can also create a custom design depending on whether you want your video to be horizontal or vertical, and also depending on where it's designed for, such as social media versus your website. Let's go ahead and click on the first option, video. Here it brings up our artboard and all of our tools to the left. You'll notice that the artboard is horizontal instead of vertical. Most videos are shot in widescreen or horizontally. If you were to make something for social media, like an Instagram story, you could use a vertical video format. For all other purposes though, horizontal works best. You'll see that the top section of your editor panel, Templates, is already selected. Here you can browse their pre-designed videos to edit as you see fit. Let's scroll through the templates and see if they have anything. If you don't see anything related to what you want to show, you can try searching for it with the search bar on top. Let's type in yoga and see what we find. There. If you hover over the video thumbnails, it will preview a portion of the video for you. Let's go ahead and click this one. Now on your artboard, you have your video playing, and as you start to hover over it, you'll see the different parts that can be edited. You can change your logo here if you want, and your name. If the box around the element looks like this, it means that those elements are grouped together. This is nice because if you move one, you can move both at the same time if you want to. You can also still edit individual elements by clicking on them. Now let's try changing some things and personalizing it. We'll start by getting rid of this logo since it has a watermark anyway. If you have your own logo, you can upload it through the Uploads tab and put it in. You can also do the same thing with your own video if you have one. Let's look through the elements now and see what else we can put on here. Canva offers stickers that are animated that you can add to your video. You can browse through them, or you can look for something more specific using the search bar. Once you've changed what you want in your video, you can preview it by clicking the play button toward the top right. You'll also see a number next to the play icon. This is how many seconds your video is going to be. You can change the length of your video by clicking on your video to select it and clicking the scissors or trim icon located above it. Sometimes with template videos, Canva already shortens and trims the video for you. So if you want to lengthen your video, you can hover over one of the ends of the video at the top until your cursor changes to 2 arrows. From there, you can click and drag to change the length of your video. You can see how many seconds your video is by looking at the play icon. If you want to move your selection to showcase a different part of the video, you can click in the middle of the selection to drag to show different parts of the video. And then you can click play to see how it all looks. You can also change the way your elements appear in your video by selecting the thumbnail of your video at the bottom of your screen and then clicking the icon in the top left corner of your artboard. This changes the overall animation style for the elements on your artboard. It was on Rise before, but we can change it to any of these options. Let's see what flow looks like. And now fade. You can see there's a lot to play around with. You can also add another scene or transition in your video. Let's add another scene to this video where it has some animated information about how to contact the yoga studio. Let's go to the button where our thumbnail is and click the plus button. This adds a new scene to our video. Now we can go back up to templates and choose another video to add. Let's click on this one. And there, it added it to our video, and now you can see that we have a 16-second video. Let's change some of the graphics and wording on this one to make it match our other video. We'll add our other flower logo to this one, change the color of the background, change the text to say who and where we are, and we'll go ahead and get rid of the underline as well. and change the color of the text. We'll go ahead and add some more information on here as well. And there. Now, if we click play, it'll play our first video and then transition to our next video with the information, making one complete video. Once you've finished making your video, you can click Download Video to choose what file format you want, either GIF or MP4. I'll go ahead and click on MP4 file. And there you have it. That's it for this video, everyone. Thanks for watching.